Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Siri in Redmi Note 13 device. So guys, as you know that we don't have any option of a Siri in Redmi Note 13, but we're going to use a third party application. So for this we have to go to Play Store and here search for the application name Voice SS. So this one is the application, by the way guys. So install this application. Now after installing it, just click to open. Okay, make sure we have to do the settings for this. So first of all, just go to downloaded app and here enable this feature. Okay, click OK, click agree again, allow the notification and click done. Guys, we have to select the option listen for command whenever my screen is on. Continue, allow the permissions, and that's it. Now guys, we have to enable the voice SS shortcut also. So just enable it, and as you see this is a button now. Okay, so when we want to use, just tap here, open YouTube, scroll down, back, go back, open Play Store, go back, go back, go back. Okay, so that's how guys we can use the Siri in Redmi Note 13 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.